What's up everybody, KD Mob Culture once again. Welcome to yet another episode. Today we dropped the Corolla. I hope you guys enjoyed the last episode. Most of you guys got it right on the rims. Maybe I gave it away. But we're now at the Lowdown Co. Strat's busy on the car. Let me actually take you on a walk. So Lowdown Co is right behind me. They're situated in Kempton Park. And I'm excited. We opted for Airlux Coilovers because it was the only ones we got in stock. And I'm really excited. I'm going to do a full review on the actual coilover, how it drives on a 90s car. For now, simple job, nothing too hectic. I've got my Lowdown Co hat on. I'm excited. I'm excited for this thing to go down. I'm going to keep you guys posted. Guys, I'm so excited. Check Strat's car behind me. It's killer. Strat's car is so dope. So dope. Guys, let me take you. Let me show you what's going on.